This video describes the module CS125 Functional Programming. You've chosen Aberystwyth University, Dept of Computer Science, and you're interested in programming. There are many different programming languages and many different programming paradigms. For example, logic, procedural, object-oriented, and functional. Which languages have you used? I asked a few members of staff.
Prolog, then C++, PHP, JavaScript,
Algol 60, Pascal, RTL2, Swift, Objective-C, Java.
Perl, Python,
C, and then PHP, in the past, C++,
Bash. Does Bash count?
C++, a bit of Lisp, some Haskell, and Anglt, which is a language I wrote myself because I didn't trust the others. Oh, and Java. Mustn't forget Java.
You'll already be learning Arduino C in CS12510 Introduction to Programming, and so this functional programming module is only suitable for students who have already done some computing. If you're new to programming, don't take on too much in your first semester. We'll be using the functional programming language Haskell to teach you about several fundamental concepts in programming. For example, types like int, string, double, float, char, bool, day of the week, euro, quantum bit, and all the others you'd like to create. Why are types so important to programming? What are they anyway? We'll be looking at functions, a core part of functional programming. We'll use functions to manipulate data. We can put functions together in many ways. If we find the capital city of France, then we get its nearest airport, and then the number of flights per day from here. We can reuse this for many countries. Reusable code is a good aim. We'll look at laziness and the classic computer science problem of halting. When should your code stop? How can you be sure that it will stop? What happens when we use 10 numbers? How about 100 numbers? What happens when we want to work with infinitely many numbers? Sometimes infinite execution or infinite data can be important. For example, when creating a game where you'd like the player to get trapped, or a web server that runs indefinitely. How should we manage infinite data and infinite execution of code?
Pascal, Basic, PL1, Algol 68. I'm sure there's more.
While Haskell is just one more programming language, it's rather special, and we'll use it to investigate lots of functional programming concepts in this module.